welcome to our new Tech Tips and Tricks series. Today, we're diving into the common keyboard shortcuts to optimize your productivity. First, let's talk about the basics: copy, paste, undo, and cut. These simple keyboard combinations help seamlessly move and duplicate text and files across your computer. Next, let's streamline your file management tasks. With just a few keystrokes, you can rename files and folders. And by hitting a single key, you can delete any folder or file. And there you have it. Master these shortcuts to become a tech-savvy efficiency wizard. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.